This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janetthrall. Norge area. One of a kind. Zoned A1. No HOA. 4 BRs/3 baths. Living room with fireplace, dining room, eat-in kitchen, sunroom. Plus a separate, upstairs 1-bedroom in-law suite/apartment/or bonus room and bath. 2-car attached garage and additional detached workshop/storage building. Private lot. Large garden area. Whole house generator. New interior paint. New kitchen vinyl floor. This home was loved for many years and well maintained. For more information, review the details below or contact Janetthrall at 757-220-950.